Why does your scanner show the P0160 engine code? What does it mean? P0160 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit. No activity detected. Bank 2 sensor 2. The P0160 engine code indicates the engine control unit, ECU, has detected that the downstream oxygen sensor, sensor 2, on bank 2 has stopped sending voltage signals or shows no activity. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed oxygen sensor. Damaged wiring or connections. Blown sensor fuse. Exhaust system leaks. Catalytic converter failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Subaru, Ford, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.